Okay, this is the room tour. You can hear the AC. Oh, yeah. Bathroom. Very nice, very nice. Not even a floating toilet. That's the adjoining room next door, if you were so inclined. Nice double bed. I haven't put my suitcase away because this is literally me just in the room 2 seconds ago. Oh look, a complimentary alcoholic beverage. I have a mini bar, and I have a more than mini bar, and oh, dressing gowns and slippers and more pillows there. And what do we have in this one? Got, yeah, places, doors. I might actually use that safety deposit box because I'm here for 13 nights and I've got my passport and stuff. Anyway, that is the room. Very nice, very palatial, very 5-star. What can you do? And speak to you later. Bye.